Hi guys, this is 2019 Toyota Camry, the hybrid. So I'm going to do today for the replace for the fuel pump. The fuel pump being located in the underneath the seat. You can see the hybrid battery in here. This is the hybrid battery. So this had the pump is problem is getting failure. The car is getting cut off. That's why I am replacing for the fuel pump. This is the fuel pump part number. Is inside in here. You have to remove this sleeve. You can see in here, guys, we have all the connectors in this too. Like this one and this one. Okay, we're going to remove this the plate, locking plate. So we need this tool like a center wrench, the two close wrench. Before we have to remove this white clip. Okay. Okay, we take it out the metal plate. You can see the one notch is going like here. Okay, we're gonna take it out. Okay, you can see one O-ring in here. So locks, this one going like this way, here and turn to here. Okay. Here's the filter. We have to close, take it out. These clips. Now we have to take it off this back of clamp. The new filter and this old filter. You can see the O-ring. I'm going to put back the new pump. It's like a washer and O-ring here. Okay, put back this one and going to pack in this. All good, all clamping. Now going to put back to the vehicle. Okay guys, we're going to put back to the tank for the fuel filter. Go like this way. Okay, like this. Okay guys, we tied the top retainer. see. It's touching here. Okay, we clip back in. Okay. Okay guys, finally we installed everything. So we're going to start the car. Okay guys, we're going to start the car. Okay, it starts fine. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next one.